guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Guess what? We have a couple of Buddha journals in my Etsy shop now. Not Buddha journals, Buddha kits. So Buddha ephemera kits, if you will. So yes, while I'm staying at home with my dog, I have lots of stuff, lots of time on my hands, and so I'm gleaning some of my stash and making some kits for you guys, and it's kind of fun to do. So anyway, let's just get started. There's two here. There's one here and one here. And they're basically the same, so I'm just going to show you the things that are in one. And it's all Asian inspired, or most of it is. 95% of it is Asian inspired. So here's some like silk trim. I think it's silk, I'm not sure. You'll get a little bag here with just some bits and bobs, pieces, and doodads and whatnot. And then we have some stationery here. There should be 2 sheets here. This is really fine, clear, I don't know. Can you tell? Yeah, you can kind of see my fingers through there. It's very fine. So there's some Asian stationery to add to your journal. I'm giving you pages here that you can make into your own journal. And by the way, my journal is coming out on Wednesday, so be prepared for that. Some Asian inspired paper. I have lots of sayings in here. So there's going to be lots of words like calm your mind and center yourself in the oneness of infinity. That which you grasp is that which you are. Just different sayings that you can put in your art journal pages. I just can't wait to show you my Buddha journal on Wednesday, you guys. I just can't wait. So a couple of these. So stay tuned for that. That's coming. And we've got 3 scrap paper, Asian inspired scrap paper here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yes, it's definitely Asian inspired. And some trim. This one says love on it. And this one is just a really piece of coffee dyed lace. And some postcards and a half of one of these. You know, I like to use these just like on half of a page. I've done that a lot. You'll see that in my work. And then a piece of a napkin and another saying and an Asian, some Asian artwork. And beautiful Japanese, I believe, and some more words. And this, pardon me, this actually is a page that I folded, and you'll see this in my Buddha journal on Wednesday. You'll recognize this as being one of my sheets. So then there's just some magazines here. Now, when you get these, look closely. Like this is a Tibetan flag here. You can cut this out and use it. This is something you can use. So always look close at these little things, and you can find things that you can use in your own journals. And just some images here, So yeah, and some gold paper. I love to use metallic gold, just a piece. Some scrap paper that says bird, and then just some pictures of some monks, some more Asian art, some more gold paper, and some more images. Don't overlook this guy when you get it. That is adorable. So there's that and that. And again, the images are all going to be different in both kits, but they're similar. They're all Asian inspired. Oh, and then my Asian inspired cards. Put a couple of those in there for you. Aren't those pretty? They have the gold on it. Really pretty. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Some more Asian paper. Some Asian cards, some Asian textbook, some beautiful Asian, there's a little bit of metallic on that, but you can't see it. And this is stunning. Well, this is what I did with one of those Asian cards, is I just cut out some Asian paper and put it on there, and then you can use it as a journaling card. So I just threw that in there so you can see the idea. And then some more Asian images, and some more sayings. And just some different doodads and whatnots. Piece of fabric. Got more fabric. Hold on, that's not the only fabric we got. And then some more, lots of Asian paper. And then some Asian images, magazine images. Oh, and this should go in here. Hold on. In your little doodad and whatnot. Some of those yogi sayings, but I'll put those in there. Some more different sayings, and some more images, and some more fabric. Pretty. And that one has some fabric like that in there too. Hare Krishna. That cool Buddha head in there. Gonna wrap these up today for you. Wrap these up today. So these are in my Etsy store right now. So head over and help yourself to this. And then when I get my Buddha journal, I already did one page. So you'll see it on Wednesday. So there's that. I'm so excited to show that with you. Just a brown piece of paper. I just love it. And then some wallpaper paper. And some more Asian paper. These are beautiful. I gotta show you these. They're double-sided. Isn't that pretty? So, these are make beautiful. If you're making your own journal, here you go. And some coffee dye. And some more coffee dye. And then this is what I used on one of my signature covers. So I'm just putting that in there. And some of that. And some Asian newspaper, which I love to play with these words right here. You know, it probably just says tape recorder. But we don't know that, right? So anyway, ooh, and a golfer. So there's that. So, okay, and then let's take a look at some of the fabric. So this right here, when you get this, it smells like coffee because I dyed it. So it's coffee dyed. And this is what I used on the spine of my journal. So each of you will get a piece of that. And then just some tidbits of some other upholstery fabric, which I was tempted to use. These were my picks for my spine. I really loved this one, and I was going to use this on my spine. But then I decided to keep it plain and just use that one. So there's that. And then I'm going to be giving you some trims and some pieces of glittery. This is beaded, and it's from my sari collection. And here's some more from my sari collection. But this can be a great flip in your book, and then these pieces can be cut out and used in your art. And this can be a great what is this? Paper clip. So you can put that as a paper clip in your art. And then there's a piece of this fabric, which I've been giving to everybody lately. And then just some of this. And then this is some sticker back, sticker trim, which I just love this. I just thought it was cool. It's like ombre. Isn't that cool? So a piece of that. So there you go. So head over to my Etsy store if you're interested in a Buddha kit, you guys. And I'm not sure what more other kits I'm going to be doing. I know I'm not going to be doing any more Buddha ones. I'm not going to be doing any more Halloween ones. There's one Halloween one left, by the way. Oh, and by the way, which I can't believe. And then I'm going to be doing some more mystery kits. So there's plenty in there, but I am going to be doing more. And I'll probably only be doing mystery kits now for a while. So thanks so much for supporting my shop. I really appreciate you guys. Take care. Bye now. Be well. See you Wednesday for the Buddha Journal.